I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas on the street every yard.
Don't get into the bag.
All my raps on the facts, they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Ray J's, I can say that's hard. I got big things coming on the way. I got big snakes coming in the same.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so it's Anaya here and we're doing another vlog today. Today they did not let us have lab today, so it's so hot in my room. Hold on. Alright, we have the fan on. We have the fan. So guys, look, let me put you guys here so you guys can see me better. Is it better? Fuck. Alright, okay guys, so guys, look. So today is another day. Today is a college vlog. Again, I know you guys really like the college vlogs, you know, so I'm just doing it because I'm like literally a junior and this is like really my last second to last year, and it's really kind of insane. It's kind of crazy, you know, and I'm like really getting burnt out already because like I don't want to even freaking do any more work, but I have to do my work. If I don't do any more work, then I'm gonna fail my classes and I can't fail, so my financial aid runs out. So you know what, we're just gonna do a college productive vlog today. So today I have so much stuff to do. I have to go wash my clothes, clean my room, do my lab assignment, do my normal psychology work. I have to do my black coaches class. It's a lot to do in one day, and then I go home tomorrow. Then tomorrow I could go home today or tomorrow, but I'm probably gonna go home tomorrow because I want to finish all of my work in my desk and stuff like that. My room is a mess. I cannot do work and my room is a mess. So yeah, so first thing is first, I'm gonna go to class, but I'm gonna go get Starbucks because I'm dead thirsty. Hold on, let me put I'm gonna wear a vest today. It's really 47 degrees outside and I'm wearing this vest. Like, yo, I'm gonna put this on. Now I gotta put my makeup on. That's not really that funny, but alright. Let me show you guys my room, okay? Let me show you my room so you guys can think it's pretty. See, look. Okay, sorry. Hi, can I get a pink drink, please?
Pink drink, what size?
The largest one.
The venti?
Venti, yeah. Okay, guys, we're at Starbucks here at my campus. See? Oh, thank you. Yep. Hey, I'm still rich. Dude, my eyes itching so bad. Okay, guys. I'm at Starbucks and I'm making my drink right now, so it's really gonna be good. So I like to come like 20 minutes early while everybody else is still in class, because when people are in class, there's literally no line. When there's a line, then I don't like it. You got it? Let's bring you guys over here. Yo, I gotta buy metal straws because I know half of y'all be eating me up in the comments, guys. I get like 5 comments, it's okay. So let's see, like, we gotta get it for the TikTok. Let's make it to class. Go to class on time. All right, now I feel more better. It's now it's not that hot anymore. So now I have to wash clothes, literally. I'm literally gonna wash clothes right now, so come with me to wash clothes. Don't be weird. Come on, like, we're washing clothes together. We have to wash clothes. Okay, now it's time to wash clothes. Is these pants too short? I pray these are not too short, because I think this is, I literally don't have any else. Come on, let's just.
Go on with it. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise on board. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, that's for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must.
But it's whatever. So I'm gonna put like a 15-minute timer. 15 minutes. I'll come back down in 15 minutes and I'm gonna put the soap inside. Look at the soap coming in. I'm gonna record it on my phone to show you. Yay! Alright, come on guys. We have other stuff to do. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up my room and then we're gonna get ready for class. Then we're gonna start all our assignments so we can be done before tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some light in here. Bro, I never opened my windows since I moved in. Oh shit. Fuck. Alright guys, so oof, I like the fucking Lorex right now. Ew. I don't know how I hurt my arm. I'm doing like a little bit of rotation on it. But okay guys, so I have one more class to go to, and which is, oh, I gotta touch my camera anyway, it's gonna die. So I have one more class to go to, which is biology. I don't really learn anything in that class, but we just get our grades back, our exam. So I just want to do that and go there early so I can do my exam. And then I might could go home tonight, or I might go home tomorrow morning. It depends with how I'm feeling. But I'm gonna go get changed, and then we're gonna cleaned off, you know, and then you're just gonna see me going home. I gotta really charge my camera, because if I don't charge my camera, then I can't film for tomorrow. And it's like whatever. Uptown, downtown, uptown, downtown, downtown, uptown. Let's charge you. I gotta get in the wax. I need to wax my armpits one day. I think if I wax my armpits one day, life will be, that's so, oh shit. Life will be so much better for me. Like, instead of shaving these shits grow back like fucking fast, like fast ass baby. It's only like $7. I might just wax it. The next time when it grows out, I'm gonna let it grow. Then I'm probably gonna, you know what I'm gonna do is right now focus on my face. What I'm gonna literally do right now is I'm gonna go buy a wax machine to wax my armpits. Guys, I'm gonna literally order, when I get home today, I'm gonna literally give my mom the money and I'm gonna order a wax machine, or tomorrow morning order a wax machine, because I literally want to wax my armpit. And guys, we're going on a streak, bro. I'm literally gonna vlog every single day. Like, y'all gonna see me every day. I'm literally vlogging every single day of my life. It's gonna be like me. I don't know why you guys are weird on my channel. Like, I'm not gonna lie, you guys are weird. Half of you guys want to see me take a poop, which is kind of weird, but then again, I don't really care because I am kind of weird. But like, why do you guys want to watch me like poop? Like, I had people DM me asking for me to poop. I'm like, bro, don't you poop yourself? But what? Literally have to poop, so I'm gonna go here. Look, so you're gonna watch me go to the bathroom. You're gonna see me, bro. You can't freaking see me. What the hell? I'm literally going to the bathroom. I'm going into the bathroom. Literally gonna put you here, and then you guys are gonna watch me really poop my peanut for some reason. Why? I don't know. Half of you guys are weird, but you guys are not seeing any poop, but you ain't seeing no booty. So guys, so I was thinking, if I leave around, let's see when is the last, how does this thing even work? Like, I never took a train before home, like, especially late at night, but I can do it in the morning. What about L-I-R-R from, I'm not gonna say where I'm leaving. Okay, let's see the website. I can do that. But it says search, but like, I'm trying to figure out the time. So let's put times, search. But it's not working, bro. Look at this, it's not loading for some reason. Why the hell is this not loading? All right, let's look up the times. Okay, but view all depart times. Okay, let's see this. View all depart. No, not this. What time? Oh my God, this is so fucking complicated. Bro, my camera's gonna die. If I get up at 5 a.m. in the morning and get there. Oh God, it came out. If I get up at 5 a.m. in the morning, I should get there on time. Should I? I don't know. Can I? I don't really know. This is really hard. I never did this before. And my camera's gonna die any second. I don't know why you're dying right now. I'm literally taking a poop. But why are you gonna die? If it dies, I love you. You know what? I'm gonna download the app, and that's what I'm gonna do. I stink. All right, I'll see you guys in class. Bye, I love you.
Other sources of DNA damage are
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rocky city, rocky city, rocky city, rocky city. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say?
My 2 foreign interviews. I don't need her. Pull a truck stop with an eater. 2 Two-seaters. New wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull up drop top with a eater. Two-seaters. New wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds.
Stop playing with them. Got my hair done. Hi, my hair is done. I know. I'm on my way to my grandma's house. Hair done, hair slayed. Yeah, and my mom's gonna pick me up. Thank you. Why he acting like that? Let me stop. Okay. Okay, what am I saying? I just like looking at myself. So guys, it's the end of the video. I'm finished with the video. I didn't do an outro for some reason. Why? I don't know. And this video is kind of boring. I don't want to not post it, because if I don't post it, then y'all say I'm inconsistent. So I'm editing it, and I wrote on my weekly planner, you know. But then I'm gonna film another video this week. I'm gonna film like 4 shorts this week, post on YouTube, so stay tuned. I love you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, look cute, and yeah, love you. Big Cherry, not the little one, is out of here.